This is Dr. Jayashree Todkar. I am a laparoscopic and bariatric surgeon and expert in the metabolic sciences. Today we are going to talk about what is the relation between obesity and the hormonal imbalances. Let us try to know that obesity is lot of excess collection of fat cells which are very hyperactive also. Fat cells are mother of n number of hormones and enzymes. So it secretes lot of chemicals. That is where when the fat cells start growing in the quantity and the quality both, there is excess secretion of multiple chemicals which leads to hormonal imbalances. These hormones which are majorly impacted because of the fat cell presence is sexual hormones, that is related to reproductive system in women and men both, the thyroid hormones, the various other chemicals which regulate our blood pressure, our mood swings, our energy levels, our appetite and our satisfaction. So particularly when the fat starts growing excessively, it impacts the complete balance of the body in terms of multiple chemicals including these reproductive hormones. Weight gain is a very uh, near and dear association of any hormonal imbalance. We typically see lot of increase in the PCOD or PCOS in the young girls, which is again indicative of excess fat collection in the body. We also see this in the males where they come up with gynecomastia or the big chest, a smaller activity of the testes which leads to infertility or various kinds of infertility related diseases of the body. This particularly affects their reproductive outcome and the subfertility index comes up. This also impacts their confidence to a large extent. Once you are diagnosed with hormonal imbalance or with obesity, try to find out the impact of obesity on the rest of the systems also. Many times, obesity is associated with prediabetes, which is also associated with lot of imbalances and infertility related factors as far as the hormonal actions are concerned. Weight gain should be considered as one of the big problems for fertility and the hormonal balance of the body. After pregnancy, many females we see that they are putting on weight and again lot of hormonal imbalance starts setting in unless you act on it in time. When you want to work on the hormonal imbalance, try to find out the fat percentage of the body. Try to find out whether you are pre-diabetic or not. Hormonal imbalance leading to obesity is much uncommon than obesity leading to hormonal imbalances. So particularly when you are working on hormonal imbalance, start working on obesity, and there are treatments of obesity which are as per the stage of obesity. If your body mass index is less than 30, you can treat your obesity with the external factor control, that is increase in the physical activity on a regular basis incrementally, so that your insulin sensitivity of the body starts getting better and you are able to burn calories better. The other part is control of diet in terms of portion control, in terms of quality control, like that is staying away from the trans fats, the heavy fats, the junk food, the sweets, sugars and all the bakery, fried foods of course. All these controls are very much applicable in the treatment of obesity and enough if it is the BMI less than 30. Once the BMI crosses 30, the obesity starts becoming resistant to all these kinds of applications, and that is where we need to evaluate deeper chemical environment of your body and act accordingly. After the BMI of 32.5, the obesity starts becoming much more resistant and will need pharmacotherapy, and if you are also associated with diabetes or hypertension, surgery is the good option to control obesity and treat it on a long-term basis. When the BMI crosses above 40, and particularly even if you don't have any problems, you should undergo surgery because your systems are beyond compensation under a lot of stress, and that is where you can reverse the whole chain of diseases once you treat the obesity. Particularly obesity, when associated with hormonal imbalances impacting your reproductive life, see to it that you go to the metabolic expert, get yourself evaluated for fat percentage, try to understand the biochemistry involved around, go for the stage-wise approach for the treatment of this obesity, and get back to normal hormonal balances and enjoy your life. Sexual life, reproductive life is a very big part of our happiness and health related quality of life. So don't miss on it. Obesity is a treatable disease and you can always enjoy your good life to a full extent once you start working towards obesity. Thank you very much.